Hello everyone, I'm so excited we hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate your help. Thank you all so much for helping me get to 1000 subscribers. Thank you for all the comments, all the likes. Thank you all so much. Now trust me, from now on guys, things are going to be bigger and better. I'm going to be covering new exciting topics like best ways to make money as a web developer. I'm going to be guiding you through the steps of becoming a proper freelance web developer, whereby you render your service as a web developer and get paid for the services you render. Also, I'm going to be making new website tutorials. Trust me, these are going to be awesome tutorials that you do not want to miss out on. So make sure you click the notification bell to stay tuned. We're going to be having weekly challenges, so trust me, things are going to be bigger and better from now on. I'll be uploading videos constantly, at least 5 times a week. Now with your help, if you can get me to 10,000 subscribers, trust me, I'm going to be doing contests whereby the winner gets different prizes. I'm going to be doing giveaways to my subscribers or random comments. So make sure you help me get to 10,000 subscribers so we can witness this amazing turnaround. But all in all, thank you all so much for 1000 subscribers. By any means, do feel free to get in touch with me on Instagram. I reply to all my DMs, so the link is going to be in the description below. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll reply the DMs. Now I'm going to take you on a little journey, and this journey is going to include the videos I made before getting to 1000 subscribers, and the links are going to be in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Step on the land.